Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video clip, I will show you and tell you how you can solve problems when the meta verification option is not showing up in Instagram. Friends, please subscribe to this channel, write your comments and also make sure to put your likes. And let's you and I get started on this topic. And you will need to open web browser, in my case it's Safari. And then you're going to need to drag this text and then click on it. And now in Google, open the very first link that you will have. Next, you'll need to select Instagram. And wait a few seconds for all the pages to load. After that, click the button right here at the bottom. Then click OK. And then you'll get a message after a while that your meta verification problem has been resolved, either to your email or to Facebook. This is the way, friends, you will be able to solve the problem when your meta verification option is not showing up. I really hope this video has been helpful for you. Please like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and see you soon.